Hi everyone, my name is Akhil Anto. This video is to teach one assignment in HAP 823 taught by Professor Farooq Alami at George Mason University. The assignment comes under Bayesian networks. The question is to calculate the probability of negative outcome with two conditions where patients are severely ill and has not signed a DNR order. The figure shows the data. As we can see, the diagram gives the probability of treatment, severity, DNR, and the outcome table. So as mentioned in the question, the first step is to eliminate the cases which are not severe from all the tables. Then we have to join the probability of severity and the probability of DNR. So now we got the variables of which are our interest, that is severity, DNR, and probability. And now we are comparing the resulting table with treatment table given DNR and severity. For that, we are doing an inner join in SQL. So now we are not interested anymore in DNR values, given that we have our treatment and severity variables. So we'll select from the treatment table above severity and treatment variables and the probabilities for each treatment and severity will be the sum by combining each no and S cases for treatment across the different values of DNR, and then we need to specify the grouping based on the treatment and severity. So now we'll join the resultant table with the outcome table by multiplying the sum of probabilities with the outcome probability based on the treatment. Again, we are summing up the probabilities based on negative and positive outcome. So now we need to normalize the probabilities so that they sum up to 1. So after that, we can conclude that we have 47.65% of our severe patients having adverse outcomes or negative outcomes. So now let's do the same in SQL. So first of all, I created a database called Bayesian. Now I imported all the data, that is probability of DNR, outcome, severity, and the treatment. So as told earlier, we are first of all removing all the cases which are not severe. So by using the command where severity not severe, we are removing all the cases which are not severe. So now we are combining the probability of severity table and the probability of DNR table. So here's the output table. So now by doing an inner join, we are getting the variables which are of our interest in one table. So reduce the size. Here's the table. So in the next step, we are summing up the probabilities using the sum function. So we got the sum of probabilities for treatment which are no and treatment which are no S, which are S. So again, we are joining our resultant table to the outcome table here using an inner join. So to calculate the final probability, we are again summing up the individual probabilities based on the outcome variable using the sum function. So finally, to normalize the probability, first of all, we are finding the sum of the probabilities. Then we are dividing the outcome probability by the total. So we have the normalized values. So here we can see that the outcome which are negative for the severe cases, and we can see a value of 47.65 for our severe patients, which has negative or adverse outcomes. Thank you so much. Please do comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.